Well, been a while since I recorded a YouTube video. But this happened yesterday. So I decided to record it now because I was actually in a decent amount of pain yesterday, so I couldn't really record it. But yesterday I was pinned between a lawnmower and a chair. Um, now when I post the video, if anyone comments and or asking why I didn't just move the chair and just like free myself that way, short answer, I could not move the chair because it was in front of a truck, and that truck does not have tires or even functionable. But I was trapped for a good like 10-20 seconds because the driver kind of freaked out. Well, the lawnmower driver, my cousin, freaked out because he thought he messed up by doing that when it wasn't really technically his fault. His foot slipped off the hold on, I just realized I'm not even facing myself. Shit. Okay, that's better, alright. But like I was saying before, I just now realized that the camera wasn't faced at me at all. I was actually looking that way. But his foot slipped off the brakes, and after that, the lawnmower lunged forward, pitting my left leg against the chair. And when he got off the lawnmower, it cut off. So it took a while. Well, it took a few seconds for him to calm down, long enough to put it in neutral and back it up. But when he finally moved the lawnmower, I had a pretty bad indent on my leg, the front part of my leg, and I say it was a good inch in my skin, but it wasn't bad to the point where I was bleeding or my leg was broken. It's just very badly bruised, pretty much. But yeah. Flip that around real quick. So what happened was, pretty sure everyone can see that red mark. This red mark right here. Shit, get that out of camera view. This red mark right here was where the chair was pushing up against my leg. From here down to like right here, it's swollen, and it like curves around right there and right in this area. But it's not as swollen as it was yesterday. It was almost the size of a frickin' softball when it happened. But the swellen's gone down a bit. It's still slightly sore, but not as bad as it was when it happened. So, but yeah, see the swelling right there. Pretty much when it was first swelling, is like that much swelling. I can't even talk properly, but it was like that when it happened, pretty much. And the pressure of the chair was like cutting off my circulation right in that area. And this particular chair had a bottom piece with it, so it was actually being pinned up with the chair here, and right down here. Right here is not really swollen, but it left a pretty good mark. And so that's what happened. It still hurts to move it and touch it, and so yeah, but I didn't have to go to the hospital about it or anything. I calmed my cousin down about it because he was freaking out because, like I said earlier, he thought he may have broken my leg or made it bleed or something like that. But I assured him he didn't do any of that. He just put a lot of pressure on my leg, but he didn't leave it there long enough to actually fully cut off the circulation. So no hospitals or ambulances to come and deal with the situation. But yeah, that's pretty much what happened. And yeah, pretty painful. That's a new injury for me. Well, until next time, keep it real.